Right, check how many 16. 16 it should be 30 something, yeah. Should be 24, 24, 40, 48, should be 48.
Morning, doctor.
I mean, okay, maybe we can start, yeah. We can start. Anyone, I will record, yeah. Anyone don't join this class, maybe later I will check the attendance by auto record here. I can check the record in the system. How many person join in the class? Okay, let's we start, ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please answer.
Morning, doctor.
Mana? Please answer. My greeting, my salam. Haja Sophia. Apalagi nih?
Morning. Boleh dengar tak, doktor?
Nah, Khairul, please answer me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam, doktor.
Because I jawab.
Waalaikumsalam, doktor.
To reply the salam is obligation, ya, a must, wajib. So just one person, see now. Okay, let me start our class using basmalah, ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, today is our third tutorial. Yeah, this is our third tutorial. For all tutorial, we have 6 actually. Maybe I just asked PM1 for the class tutorial because I haven't got the teaching plan. I just got the information. Next week uh, has tutorial or not? If he said has, okay, I will do tutorial. Okay, this tutorial, yeah. Actually, it's almost the same with previous tutorial, but this one is more on drawing for the as the case combination of gradient, combination of arithmetic, and so forth. Yeah, I also learn. We learn together. Yeah, sometimes if I don't understand, you understand about the tutorial, so maybe we can discuss together. Yeah. All right. For today we have 10 tutorial. Yeah, we have 10 questions for tutorial. Actually, this one is just for you to get more understanding after you learn from your slide. Yeah. Actually, you can learn also not only from the slide. You can also learn from the another source like textbook. Yeah, you can search in Google. Actually, when we do learn about this thing, about this cash flow, yeah, we try to find because the internet is not so familiar long time ago, yeah, and also expensive when I was degree. Now you can simply find the another questions in the internet. All right, let's we start. Yeah, I already made a random what is that number for you for the person who answered the question. Yeah, I will share to you. We start from the number one. Number one, who will answer number one, please? Based on my sheet, Angeline Fatan Yagam, here or not? Angeline, not here, ya. Diva Gran, can you hear me? Diva Garan, anak lelaki Sokalingam. Can you hear me? Diva Garan? Hello? If not complete like this, ya, quite difficult. Muhammad
Gerun
Hazim?
tani, mak.
Hazim,
Gerun tani gerun.
apa yang nak I offer ya? Diva Garan, I saw your name here, but I cannot hear your voice. Ya. Okay, I will not anyone who want to answer the question, ya, please. Apa yang nak? Anyone?
Saya dekat
Siapa tuh namanya?
Hidayah.
Nur Hidayah ya, binti Muhammad Taufik. Wait, wait. Nur Hidayah. Oh, bagus ya namanya. Cahaya Hidayah. eh, dengan nama Taufik juga, Taufik and Hidayah, pendekatannya. Okay, please share your file. Okay, please try to read your answer. The others please follow ya. We can learn together ya. Okay, Hidayah.
Okey, kalau kat soalan ni dia nak P, so kita guna PA. A dia 2,000. I dia interest rate dia 10%. So N 5. And then kita guna P equal to A, PA. 10% price kita tengok dekat table. Kita dapat 3.791. And then kita tengok PF dekat table 10% and 1. So kita dapat 0.9091. And then tekan calculator kita dapat 6892.796.
Okay, let me check ya. Let me check the question. Ada answer ya. It is my turn to share. Sharing. Okay, let's check ya. So the following cash flow diagram. Okay, we have 5N ya, 5N. Okay, we want to find the P reason, right? And then given A ya, uniform or uniform pattern, and then the interest rate is 10, the N is 5. Using the table, you can find this ya. and then you multiply this using calculator, you can find this. And then we try to convert P, this one become P for the P here become feature, yeah, become feature for P0, right? Become feature. So given for this one, if we want to find P and then this one already convert become F, and then we can find given to find P given F. F for this P1 become F, so we put this value here, and then we using P to find P given F, yeah, to find P given F, and then with the N1, yeah, starting from 1, yeah, because the calculation is starting from 1, the year, yeah, and then we can get the value. Berapa yang you punya tadi, Hidayah? Hidayah?
6892.8.
Oh, is just a bit different. Okay, correct, ya. Okay, let's give the applause to Hidayah ramai-ramai. Mana nak bagi applause? Oke, terima kasih Hidayah. Tadi
Saya
saya pun tak bagi applause, mana jalan. Okay, let's we go to number 2. This is ramai. Kalau ramai sekaligus nampak meriah kita punya screen tuh. Okay. Okay, let's we go to number 2. Number 2, who will answer number 2? Muhammad Firdaus, can you hear me? Muhammad Firdaus, number 2. If you can, please answer, yeah. Okay, no? Okay, Amirul Aizat, can you hear me, Amirul? Amirul, masa kalau dengan perempuan? Amirul? Tes, tes, tes. Okay, no one, ya. Nur Nabila, Nur Nabila, ada di sini Nur Nabila. Can you hear me, Nur Nabila? Please. Nur Nabila. Or else I will offer to the floor, eh? Anyone who want to answer, I will give, but they will give a point from me. They will get a point. Okay, anyone? Nur Nabila, Nur Nabila. Lagi di sini nomor dua. Amirul, Amirul. Nur Nabila. Muhammad Firdaus. Okay. Sorry. Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Idris. Please answer me. Mana orang? Okay, just 30%, yeah, 31%. I can note for this, yeah. They will be informed, yeah. For tutorial also, yeah, if you don't join for 3 times without any information, just maybe you can need, yeah, if you cannot join, please tell me what the reason and give some evidence. Otherwise, you cannot join in the final exam later. Okay, anyone? I offer to the floor, yeah, because I already called. Muhammad Firdaus, can you hear me? Muhammad Firdaus. Muhammad Firdaus. Mana suaranya? Tes. Nur Alia, ada yang nak? Ada yang nak? Ayo, mumpung masih mudah lagi kan, nanti makin ke bawah makin susah lagi. Anyone? Please.
Doktor, yang ni susah sikit doktor. Kita orang tak faham, doktor boleh ajar dulu tu.
Oh, tak paham ya. Patutlah saya diam-diam.
Semua susah sikit. Yang tutorial 3 susah sikit. Dia ditampurkan. Ada yang susah, ada yang okey. Nombor 1 okey, nombor 2 susah. Macam tu. Nombor
Okey
2
lah.
macam tu.
Okay. Let me check ya. Okay, let's we go to number 2. I also need to learn ya. To find P ya. What is the question? Same ya. Interest rate is still the same ya. Interest rate is still 10. Yeah, let's we check the answer ya. I think better anyone can answer first, and then we check the
Kita
question.
orang tak faham sebab yang ni dia yang 3,000 turun 2 kali. So kita orang dalam example semua sekali je macam ni. So kita orang tahu kalau move 3,000 single amount boleh, tapi ni double, so kita orang dah macam jam kat
3.000 mana? 3.000 nih.
dia selalunya kan turun sekali saja. So ini 2 kali tu kita orang tak tahu berapa step ada. So kena darab ke apa, kita orang dah jam kat sana, sebab tu kita orang tak dapat buat. I also halfway only do.
Okay, let me check ya. If you cannot, let me check together. We learn together ya. I also just open this file. Okay, let me check ya. The answer will be quite long ya. First, we try to find P1. P1 here, 3,000 here to find. We try to find P to given A. A is the uniform part pattern here ya. 2. Jadi kita kena buat, we make it become a several step to make you simple. Try to find P1 first. P1 mean we try to put the number of number of n is 2 here ya. So this is 10% given A are already known 3. This is P1 ya, P1. Oke, terus kita coba make a P0. P0 mean the value of P1 here become a feature for P0. Ya. So saya rasa dia letak dia punya tuh di sini nanti tuh. And ini this one is become 0 starting from here because it's 1 year before ya. I think 1 year ahead. So like this, okay, the starting point is here, and then kalkulasi yang pertama dia akan dari starting dari sini. Okay, kalau kita if already convert P1 become feature here. So in the P0 here, so we put the P1 become feature, right? And then it's become 1 year. Nanti kan dia dapat kan di sini nanti ya 1. So kita letak dia 1. Alright, and then feature we using the table, and then we can get this value. Okay, we multiply and then we get P0. Okay, let we do together first ya, and then if you have a question we discuss together. And then now we go to 6 to 8 ya. Ini ada yang uniform yang kedua ya. Uniform yang kedua dia ada berapa uniformnya? Ada 2 uniform kan? Nah, ini yang satu, ini uniform yang kedua. Yang A kedua. So, we already got the value of A, and then we get the n is 4, right? So we try to find in the P4, we will calculate by given A P, or to find P given A, yeah, with the what is that? The value of A is 2000 and then N is 4, right? And then we try to multiply it, we got this one. So P4 here will be a feature for this one, yeah? If I already get the P4 here, P4 become feature for this one ya here ya. Mana saya nak beritahu? Sekejap ya, sekejap. Wait a minute. Saya ambil saya punya pen. Wait a minute ya. Okay ya. First we calculate this itu. Okay, and then we use this number, and then if we already find this one, this one become f for this one, yeah? Become f. If you want to find this, it become f for this one. This one, yeah. We will put here. Okay, this one become f feature. No susah. Okay lah, later I will use just using the my pen. Okay, like this. Okay. This one we have two kind of A. This is the first uniform. This is the second uniform, and then we try to find this. And then if I define this using P to find P given A, this will become feature, yeah, become F for this, for the calculation. Okay. Okay, become F. And then for this one also,
Turunlah bawah, turun bawah sikit.
susah pakai pen tuh susah. Tidak usah pakai pen. Jadi kacau gitu kan. Okay, the second one we try to find this one, yeah. And then we use P4 2000, right? And then we use the year 4, and then we will get this one, yeah. We will get this value, and then this P4 become feature for P0, yeah. P0 here, yeah. But the value is 1 because it's starting from here, yeah. Okay, the value is P0 for 5 to 8. Okay, will be given F to find P with the interest rate 10, and then the N is 1 because it will be starting from this here, from here. All right, and then we will find the value of P0 for 5 to 8 is this value. After we get P0 here, yeah, and P0 here, we combine all together become PT, yeah, P total, yeah, P to 3 and P 5 to 8, and then we will get this value. Okay, and then that is the important one in this tutorial number 2 is you need to identify and try to convert it to try to find the value of a P in the specific timeline, and then convert it become F. Yeah. All right. If you already get this one by one, and then you try to combine it. Okay, let's number 3. Any question for this? Later I will share the question. Don't worry, yeah. Can learn. Let's go to number 4. Pen number 3. Siapa? Haja Sofia? Number 3. Tadi nomor 2.
I don't understand the question.
I don't understand again. Siapa yang understand? I think better to try, and then if you get wrong, it's okay. We learn together.
This thing, doctor, in our example wasn't this complicated. Like, got two. We did not know. First of all, there are two A values here. This one also more complicated. Got up and down. So we don't know which one is uniform also. So that's why number 2, number 3, number 4 a bit okay. I do number 6 also okay. So
Okay, anyone can number 3? Okay, Afif. No. Lepas tu Muhammad Hazim, Amirul Mukminin, lawan ya. Siti Nur Hidayah tadi sudah. Tadi bukan ya? Siti Nur Hidayah juga ya.
Sorry,
Okay.
Doctor, I don't understand too.
Tentu. Jangan nangis lah. Okay, let's go to number 3 ya. Okay, number 3. Okay, I ask you first ya before we start together ya. The question is we want to find what is we want to one F, right? Here we have some maybe several type of calculation ya. Maybe need some time calculation. Let me check the value. This one is I think this one is A, right? You can see identify this one A. I think this one is a different let me check, this one is P berapa, ini P berapa, kita tengok ya. Okay, we have some calculation like this ya.
I want
Can you
to
see?
analyze this.
Halo. Alia,
Ya ke?
Raja.
We can see, but we don't know what is this. Wait.
Okay, let's recheck ya. Let we check. Okay, the question is we want to find F10, right? F10 here, right? So here we already get the value of P here negative because the cash flow is negative, right? This one is 3,000. And then we want to find F given P 0. Given P is 3,000, this one. And then this one is starting from, wait a minute, starting from this, yeah, until starting from this until this is 10, yeah, 10. N is 10. So just put this one here negative because this one is cash flow is negative, right? Then we go to 6,000. You need first to differentiate the cash flow for P first. This one is negative also, right? 6,000. Okay, starting from this to this, berapa? Dia punya
7 tahun.
7, right? Dari 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 7. And then saya lupa pula nak record. Nanti ada kawan yang tak boleh. Okay, kita record dulu. Alright. And then we try to calculate ya. Calculate. Okay, we calculate it. Mana dulu? Ditambah. This one is the continue one ya. 200 ya, 200 from here ya. Here is the cash flow is positive, right? Positive because go up. Berapa dari 2 ke sini berapa?
8 years.
Starting from 2?
8 years.
8 year ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nah, kena pergi gym lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is 200. And then the another one, this one is, what is this? P also, right? I think you can use A, but this one we can use E. Sorry, P. For the first 400. Okay, we put it here. All right, and then for the second is here, but this one is berapa? Satu, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, see, we put it 6, right? And then the second one is 5, yeah. Satu, dua, tiga, 4, 5. So we will get this one. All right, and then we uh, try to calculate all, yeah. Calculate the value, and then we will get this value. Okay, we try. Make sure, yeah, you clearly do this one first, do this one first, do this one first. Don't do directly. Sometimes you get wrong, yeah. Sometimes you get wrong because you just do, and then after this you directly minus this one, and then you multiply this one, and then you plus this one. This is quite wrong. Later the the calculation will be wrong like that. Just complete it one by one, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you will get this value. Okay, for this any question? Ada ya? Okay, for this question tutorial, first, yeah, I give you the key for this, yeah. First, you need to identify which one is negative, yeah. This one is cash flow, but P, but this one is negative. This one is P because 1 calculation, 2 calculation, 3 calculation, 4 and 5. This one is negative, this one is negative, this one is positive, yeah, positive and positive. And then you need to identify the calculation will be starting from this, yeah. 1, 2, don't do from this. It will be wrong, yeah. Okay, I think you understand for this. You just a bit confused. This one is G, this one is A, right? This one is what kind of the calculation, okay? Okay, number 4. Anyone can answer number 4, please? Nampak. Number 4. Okay. When you see this, siapa dulu? Siapa yang nak jawab? Siapa yang boleh jawab, yang nak jawab, saya akan bagi nama ke Dr. Wan. Terserah dia salah ke betul, saya akan bagi. Jangan risau. Lepas tu Dr. Wan nanti bagi marking. Alright, number 4. Siapa ni? Muhammad Fikri. Can you hear me, Fikri? Muhammad Fikri. Muhammad Arif. Malaysia ni banyak nama Muhammad, saya suka. Muhammad Arif. Muhammad Arif. Siapa yang? Ahmad Bukhari. Muhammad Bukhari. Ahmad Bukhari. Okay. Number 5, number 4 habis. Tak boleh juga ya number 4 nih. Raja.
I number 6. I did number 6, not 4.
Siapa yang anyone who wants to try, I give to the floor ya. Anyone who want to answer number 2, please. Oke. Oke, siapa yang nak membaca nih apa saja? Nanti terserahlah, sila ke betul ke salah. Ini bentuk pattern dia apa? Anyone?
This one, the arithmetic gradient.
Arithmetic gradient ya. Arithmetic so G, right? Sorry.
They're asking us to find PG.
Okay, this one is PG, right? Let me check ya. PG. Okay, this one is berapa dia punya perbezaan? 10, right? 10.
G is 10.
Okay. But how many arrow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Let's check ya. Okay, wait, we check. Okay, this one has two kind of calculation. Okay, first we try to find P2. P2 mean P in this two here. Okay, this one is 8. PA. Why we use PA? Because arithmetic, and then the second is P gradient. Gradient. Uh, the first like this, the first. Okay, let me check. Why we try to find PA, and then we use 8. We try to calculate for the first P here, using PA because this one is the arithmetic pattern, and also we have the changing every movement is 10, right? So we also need to calculate the G gradient. So we need to calculate both. First, we try to find P2 here, P2 here. PA, okay, we already know, right? The given A, given PA here, PA first, the in like this. Yeah, correct. We the A given A is 70, and then this one is 8, 8 here, right? And also the changing is 10. Oh, like this. Saya paham, Pak. Saya paham. Jadi kalau dia ada perubahan macam ni, dia ada dua ya. Pertama dia uniform uniform. Dia seni selama ini ada perubahan karena dia ada perubahan 10, we need to put the gradient also. So we need to calculate two kind. First is 70, we use this 70, and then we use 8, and then for G, the changing of G is 10. We put this one is 10, right? 10, 10, 10, and then we will get this one also using N is 8, right? And then we try to calculate using table, we will get this one. We'll get the value of this. Okay, now we will get the value of P2. P2 is, kita akan dapat P2. Kita akan dapat P2 sebesar ini. Okay, and then we will get P2 here, 1 and 2. We will get the P2 here. Mana nak tunjuk? Okay, like this. And then P2 will be feature to get calculate this one. We will be feature this one, and then we convert this one become feature for calculate P0, right? So P given P to find F. To find P given F. F we got already. This one convert become F, and then this one become 2 years, okay, this one 1 and 2. Okay, this one. With this one become F, we already calculate this one. You need to read your slide, because if you want to find I think G or A, we need to move one years, what is it, lebih awal, kalkulatnya satu tahun lebih, satu tahun lebih ke depan, backward. Okay, and after that we try to find P given F, and then with using the value of 2, N is 2, and then the interest rate is 10%. We try to find in table, we will get this right. Ada pertanyaan enggak di sini? Any question? Ada soalan? Do you have any question, please?
Okay, okay.
I think the most important in this question 4 is in this part, yeah. In this part, you need to determine this one is A, yeah. A for this one become B, yeah. And become it like this, yeah. You need to identify this one. Okay, let's we go to another example, yeah? Number 5. Anyone to answer number 5, please? Baru satu orang nih. Just one person. Number 5, let me check. The name is Muhammad Hairi. Can you hear me? Muhammad Hairi. Muhammad Hairi.
Okay,
Can
Doktor.
can you share me? Don't worry, get wrong, don't worry. We learn, yeah. Muhammad Hairi, please answer. I mean, share your slide or to file.
Can share, Doktor.
Cannot share. Boleh share?
Can share, I use phone because my house banjir.
Oh, banjir, masya Allah. Oke lah. Semoga cepat selesai. Duduk duduk ke mana? Durian
Beruang. Bukit Beruang, Doktor.
Bukit Beruang. Saya Durian Tunggal banjir juga, tapi Pembela ke atas sedikit.
Betul, Doktor.
Macam letih sangat dan sakit ke atau lepas bersih.
Sehat badan sikit.
Oke lah. Semoga lekas sehat. Kita doakan ramai-ramai sembuh secepatnya. Alright ya, let's we go to number 4. Siapa lagi yang boleh nih? Number apa? Number 5 ya? Number 5. Muhammad Firdaus. Muhammad Firdaus, can you hear me, Firdaus? Firdaus, can you hear me? Number 5. Number 5. Selain Firdaus, apa lagi nih? Siti Alia. Alia.
Kat sini, Doktor.
Nampak Alia. Can you try or
Uh,
still confused?
tapi saya tak tahu jawapan saya betul ke tak.
Dan worry, kita nama hidup tuh tak tahu betul ke salah. Tapi kita coba dulu.
Okey.
Berani mencoba akan dapat pengalaman. Kalau tak berani mencoba, tak dapat pengalaman. Boleh share.
Okey, saya share.
Nanti kita discuss sama-sama ya. Don't worry. I will back slide.
Okey, Doktor.
Okay, please. Baca.
So, for the first, kita akan cari 1 until 3. Terus, kita kali dengan 10% dengan 3 kat sini.
Okay,
And then,
PA ya.
okay, and then kita pun kali yang ni, dapat yang ni. 1243.5.
Alright. Good.
Okay, so
And
kita 4 sampai 8. Kita
mm-mm.
buat 1000, 10%, 5. And then, kita kali kita akan dapat yang ni, 3790.8 untuk
Alright.
P3. So, daripada P3 ni kita akan cari PO sekali lagi untuk carikan PF kat sini. Okay,
Alright.
kita akan dapat ni. Daripada yang ni, kita tambah yang ni, kita tambah yang ni.
Okay.
So, kita akan dapat 4091.5.
Okay, wait ya.
Betul, betul.
Saya catat dulu. 40.
4091.5.
Oke, namanya Alia ya. Alia Ibrahim. Oke Alia, bagi applause dulu sedikit sebagai usaha. Thank you Alia. Let me check.
Okay, welcome.
Bagi applause sampai ramai biar meriah nanti. Alright, kita cek ya. Nomor 5, go to number 5. Oke, sama seperti Alia 4091.5. Ada betul lah tuh, cantik. Tepuk tangan lagi 2 kali. Hai. Great. Oke Alia, pandai ya. Rasa macam itulah dia kita kena coba, jangan risau, jangan khawatir. Sama juga saya pun baru nih lah buka, baru belajar juga. Oke, tapi dulu pernah dapat 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 pelajaran macam ni. Oke, let me do together ya. Jadi please follow the step by step ya. First we want to find P0 here ya, PO ya. PO here 1 2 3 ya. 1 2 3. P0 here ya. So when we see this one is the uniform style ya, uniform. Okay, uniform. And if uniform, we already know the value. All right, we want to find P given A. Find P this here, this one yeah. If you read this one, you need to not P per F to find P given A. A, the value is 500, right? And then this one is 3 years. Okay, starting from this one, 1, 2, and 3. We put this 3, and then we get the value using the table here. Yeah, we multiply, we will get the value of this. Make sure this one is the first step 1, yeah. Then there's step 2. Step 2 is the same, yeah, almost the same. All right, we try to find P in the tree, yeah. Okay, here, right? This one is starting from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put it 5. We put the value of n is 5. And then we try to find the given to find P given A, yeah. This one is 1000. The value of A already known is 1000. And then we try to calculate it. All right, and then using table. Okay, make sure yeah. Sometime when I long time ago, sometime your friend when they do the final exam, they wrongly see this one is to find P per A or PF or P many type of the type of the calculation or F or A. Sometimes they get wrong. So make sure when you check the table, you clearly determine this one is PA or PF or and else yeah. So when you already get the value of P here, right? The next is you okay, when you find here yeah, okay, and then we will add this one together yeah. When you add this one, okay, you will get the value of 4091. Ada pertanyaan enggak? Ada question? Any question please? No ya, I think this one is okay. Let's go to number 6. Siapa number 6 tadi? Anyone?
Saya
Okay. Please share. Please share.
sekejap sekejap.
Okay.
kata boleh nampak?
Boleh. Boleh, terus.
So first sekarang dia suruh cari PT. So inilah arithmetic gradient punya graph. So mula-mula kita kena tahu G kita berapa. So perbezaan kita ialah 20. So first
Alright.
we have to find P2 for the top one. So kita letak formula untuk ni, untuk 70 yang sama uniform ni, and then we add the value 20, we get
Gradient,
gradient difference, and then we get this value, and then kita kena cari P0 untuk yang first ini. Kalau untuk 2 tahun we add, and then we get this value, and then for
Alright.
arithmetic we put for 2 years 70, we get this, and then we sum up the whole thing for P0, and then the arithmetic we get 695.
Raja, berapa tadi hasilnya? 6,
6
6,
9 695
9, 5.0.
0.
Oke, Raja ya.
I start.
Raja Dorai. Alright, let's we check together. Thank you, Raja. Give applause to Raja. Give applause, give applause, give applause. Ramai-ramai give applause. Okay, thank you for applause ya. Thank you for applause. Semoga. Let's we check ya. Berapa tadi? 695. 69. Correct ya. The answer is correct ya. Give applause again. Give applause again. Give applause. 6. P total is 695. Alright. Let we discuss together ya. Discuss it. Okay. First, when we see here ya, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 is 1 to 2. We want to calculate the P0, alright? P0, this one 2%. Okay, like this one. This one, yeah. Because starting from here already changed, right? Okay, when we try to find, with given A here to find P, okay, we are now this one is 2 years. Just put this 2 years, yeah. This is the first calculation. Okay, the next is starting from 3. Okay, starting from 3, this one, yeah, 3 to 10. Right, this one has a gradient, right? Gradient, and also we have the initial, the value of P is 70, yeah, 70. This is same like the previous question, yeah. Now I think number 3, yeah, number 3 kalau tak silap. Okay, we try to find P2 here, yeah, 70. Starting from this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Because sorry, this one, sorry, yeah, because this one is P2 here, yeah, P2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we put it's 8 here, the value of an 8, and then we know already P A first is 70. Okay, we use PA. Okay, P, and to find P given A is 70, and then we have a gradient changing amount of 20. Yeah, we put this 20 because the changing of gradient changing is 20. So we put here is 8 based on the year N. Okay, and then we calculate, and then we know the value of P2 here. It become feature for the calculation in the P0, for the calculation this one, yeah. In the calculation this one, Okay, P2 become F here, right? All right, and then the value of P2 here, the value of this one is this one, and then you can put it here. Yeah? Okay, the value of N here in for P0 here is 2, right? This one, okay, 3 to 10, 3 to 10. And then we try to find P0 is 2, right? And then P0 starting from here, yeah, we convert 1, okay, okay, this one, okay, 1 and 2, okay, and then we put it become this one, value of the P0 is 573.5, then we join it, we combine it, and then we get the value of 695. Okay, in this tutorial and this question, what we should understand is, okay, we need to identify how many question first. First, we have this one first, yeah. Okay, this is the second, right? Okay, so you need to identify what kind of the calculation here, right? And also you need to identify what kind of the calculation here. If you have a gradient, so you need to identify P per A and, sorry, okay, plus P per G, yeah, like the previous question. Then you need to find this one is become P0. This is same like the previous question, right? Okay, the next, thank you Raja, yeah, for the correct answer. Anyone who want to try number 3, 7, the next is we can go to number 7. Siapa nih? Muhammad Nazmir, can you hear Muhammad Nazmir? Muhammad Nazmir, and then the second one is Radin. Sorry, Muhammad Khairul. Oke, Muhammad Khairul ada. Siapa lagi nih? Radin Putri. Radin, please, anyone when I call can answer, please tell me. Venue.
Dr. Hamia.
Oke, siapa tuh? Venue.
Hello, Dr. Hamia.
Oke, please.
Yes, Doctor.
Venue, uh, just share your slide ya, please.
Okay, Doctor.
Okay, wait a minute.
In this question 7,
Please.
can you hear me, Doctor?
Yeah.
Okay, Doctor. In this question, they are for asking for 2 questions,
But
gradient,
the
mathematic gradient,
wait a minute.
PA and point for
Wait,
PG.
I cannot. You cannot. You haven't clicked your answer, please. You haven't clicked your answer. Just this one
This
is
one the answer, Doctor.
Window Explore. Not appear.
Venue, dia tak open ni punya jalan kira. Salah sharing ni.
Salah sharing nih.
Okay. Dah boleh tengok tak? Halo dokter.
Ya, wait, terus. Oke, now can.
Kan dokter. Okey, dalam soalan ni dia tanya
Yeah.
dua soalan. Okey, just to find PA and PG. This is arithmetic gradient question. Okay, if we see here, they got the difference is 2, 50 and 50 is 0. And this have to find 50 to 70.
Until
So
70.
the P2 will be the 307.215. The PA will be 86.8. And when we all together, the OPA and PB 288.568.
Wait. Your name, the result is 288.568. 734 venue Pikanes ya.
Yes,
Okay.
doctor.
Thank you venue. Give applause to venue ya. Give applause to venue. Thank you venue. For trying this tutorial number 7. Okay, let's we check number 7 answer. Okay, let we check together number 7. Sharing. Okay, number 7. Okay, let me check the answer is berapa tadi? 288.334. Okay, no problem. Let me check ya. Which one is the difference? Or why is it different with venue? Okay, let me check. We identify the calculation 1 and 2 is here. This one is uniform format, uniform style. Okay, this one is using P and A. This is 2 years, 1 and 2. This one become PO for 1 and 2, Then we will get the value of 86.8, the value of PO for calculation 1 until 2 years. Okay, the next is the number 3 and 7.
Okay, now I
3
know
until 7.
how.
We can see here 3 and 7 starting from here, starting from this point to this point. 7 until 7 here,
Now I know what to do.
Okay, this one is, so this one is 2, 1 and 2, we have 2. Here we have a gradient. When we have a gradient, we need to calculate the arithmetic and gradient. For the A, first is 50, right? 50. And then we try to calculate how many year. Okay, starting from this year. So the calculation is will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So we put it 5. This one also 5. And then the gradient changing is 5, the gradient changing is 5. So we use 5. Then A, we already have A. And then we try to calculate the result. And then you calculate using table, and then we will get this value. And then for P0 here, as you know, right, P2 become feature for the calculation PO for in the P2, Okay, we will put it become 2, right? Sorry, because we want this one is P2, and then we put it become P2 here, P2 here, Okay, here. All right, and then the calculation, the calculation will be P2 here, become the feature given given to find P given F, yeah. Okay, we will get the value of 184. Okay, the result will be combination or the sum of okay, the next is no, we have another question. P7, P8 to 9, yeah. Here 8 to 9. If 8 to 9 here, let me check, yeah. This is the first. Okay, this is the second until here. The third is this one, right? So we have 1, 2, and 3, right? Three calculation. Okay, for the 8 and 9, as we know, this one is also PA grade arithmetic uniform, yeah. Uniform here is uniform, yeah. Okay, this one is 70, and then the year is 2, right? Okay, and then we put it here. N is 2, yeah. This one is 70, PA, right? Is table, and then we calculate and we will get the value of this one. And then P0, okay, starting from P7 to P0 is just need to identify, just put it here, yeah, simplify like this. We'll get the value of this, sorry, using P7, right? And then this one become feature for the calculation P0. And then we will get the value of, we have a value of P7 is 1 to 1.5, and we will get the value of P0 for this calculation is this one. So we have 1, 2, sorry, 2 and 3 calculation. The value of the each calculation is this, and then we will sum all the value, so we will get P total. Yeah, P total is 334.1. Anyway, thank you, Venue, for your answer. Good effort. Kita kita mencoba silap, jadi kita tahu di mana kita masalahnya. Sama juga dalam hidup tuh, kalau kita takut mencoba, ya kita tak tahu nanti hasilnya. Tapi coba tuh yang baik-baik lah, jangan coba yang buruk-buruk. Nanti ada dadah nak dicoba pula, jangan coba. We try the positive thing, ya. We try to do the positive thing. If this one is good, we need to try. Ya, if you don't try, macam orang berenang lah. Orang berenang, kalau you pergi berenang, you nak coba dulu. Jangan tengok air pun nak takut. Tak akan boleh berenang sampai bila-bila. Alright, we have still three. Okay, number 7, number 8. Siapa nak number 8? Number 8, siapa? Ada yang giliran number 8? Ruhaida. Kalian tunggu sekejap ya, saya nak ke tanda, sudah tak tahan lagi lah. Nak pecah kantong kencing. Sejuk sangat. Sekejap, tunggu 3 minit ya.
Hai dah.
Hmm.
Oh, Ruhaida.
Banjir.
Hmm.
Siapa dia kentut?
Oh, sejuk. Sorry ya. Tes. Can you hear me, please? Boleh jawab? Dengar tak? Dengar ya? Alhamdulillah. Eh, bagi tahu ya untuk kalian ya, sekedar intermezzo, itu. Karena kalau laki-laki ini, bagi tahu ya untuk perempuan, kalau kalian punya suami nanti, kalian punya suami, nah bagi tahu, kencing kena duduk, ada cara dia. Karena sebab kalau umur udah 60 ke atas ya, nanti banyak kena prostat, tanda prostat, cancer prostat, kanker dia punya kandung kemih tuh. Nah, nanti kalau kalian eh, pergi tandas jangan saja nak berdiri saja lelaki ya, kena jongkok kena duduk. Tengok di YouTube tuh cara dia. Lepas tuh berdegam macam tuh. Jadi dia keluar bersih. Kalau tak nanti dia jadi prostat. Nah, itu diajarkan dalam Islam lah. Oke, untuk ilmu tambahan untuk kalian. Kalau yang perempuan nanti punya laki, beritahulah. Kalau yang sekarang masih berdiri, jangan sampai kencing berdiri lah. Okay, the next is number 8. Number 8. Let's go to number 8. Siapa number 8 nih? Ruhaida. Tak ada. Nuraidatul ada? Nuraidatul. Tak ada juga. Saya panggil ya. Kalau tak kita bagi to the floor. Apa lagi nih? Muhammad Rifki. Siapa nak try dulu? Ah. Rifki ada Rifki? Can you hear me Rifki? Nur Adila? Sejuk sangat. Nur Adila. Ada ya? Tak ada. Lepas tu habis. Kita tengok lagi lah. Anyone want to try number 8? Baru 4 orang ya nama yang saya saya bagi. Oke, kalau tak ada, let's go do it together. Boleh ya? Number 8. Okay, let we check ya number 8 nih. We have how many calculation based on your opinion ya? Ada berapa kira-kira? Ada berapa?
Ada 2 uniform, satu ke negatif, satu positif.
Ini ya. Betul.
I rasa sebab contoh.
Oh. Siapa tadi Raja ya?
Yes.
Raja. Oh,
Yes,
Raja.
betul. Yes, betul.
Raja menjawab sambil balap motor tu ha.
Tak ada, saya tak ada. Saya dekat rumah saja. Bunyi saja.
Raja. Oh, rumah dekat sebelah jalan ya.
Yes, seaside.
Oh. Okay, we have two calculation ya. Okay, two calculation. First calculation, we need to try find calculation 1 until 4 ya. 1 until 4 here. But starting P 0. Oi, kenapa sejuk sangat nih? Macam nak beku je. Alright, let's go. Saya cepat-cepat je lah karena masanya. Itu dia punya ini ada. Nampak ya? Can you hear me? Okay, let's check. We have two calculation. First is P0 starting for 1 to 4. We have P. We want to find P given A ya. Given A. Alright. The value of A is this, right? And then this is what 10%, yeah. And then the value of N is 4. So we get the P0 here, right? The value of this P0 is 633. And then we go to the next calculation. Okay, here we can see the second calculation. This is the first calculation, this is second calculation. For 6 to 7 calculation, we try to find P5 here, P5 here. Okay, the n is 1 and 2. Okay, the value is 2, and then we given given A to find P. A is 50, and then this is 10%. We will get the value of A is P5 is 60. 60 this one, okay, 80 86, right? So for P5, right, P5 to P0, okay, P5 we put this one the number of 5, and then you just put it here, yeah, to simplify it, and then we can find the value of P0, okay, is okay, this one is become feature, yeah, F, yeah, here, yeah, become feature for this, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, get 5, right? And then we calculate P for 5, and then P to give, okay, to find F given F, to find P given F, okay, the value of P0 is this one, yeah. Okay, then we go to add all, yeah, just add between, yeah. Okay, we check this one a bit different, yeah. This one is minus, this one is plus, right? Why is minus? Because the arrow is go down, right? This one arrow is go down, and then this one is plus, the arrow is go up. Okay, and then we will get the value is P total is minus 580.0.9. So it means the arrow will be go down with the value P total is 580. Alright, that is number 8. Go to number 9. Siapa nak cuba number 9? Yang sudah siap? Anyone? Number 9. Zahra. Zahira. Ada tak? Zahra, can you hear me? Fahra. Oh, Fahra Zahira dipanggil left meeting. Pergi lari dia. Oke. Jangan takut ya, saya tak makan orang. Hamdan Syakirin, Hamdan Naimin, Hamdan Syakirin, hamba Hamdan yang syukur. Oke, let's go. Ada lagi tak? Nomor 9 ni siapa lagi ni? Hazmi. Can you hear me, Hazmi? Or not? Or else we go to answer. Siapa ni? Okay lah, we go to answer together ya.
Doktor.
Siapa tu?
Ya.
Hah?
Alia.
Oi, Alia pandai. Let's go, Alia.
Doktor just nak cuba. Tak tahu
Ah.
doktor kita.
Oh, saya suka orang yang mau mencoba ni. Let's try.
Okay, siap.
Alia. 2 kali. Oh, cantik. Let's go.
Okay, untuk soalan ni dia nak cari P. So saya rujuk nota. Untuk beza dia punya gradient negatif 50. So untuk PG 500 darab A 10%. Pi tolak 50 untuk gradient. PG 10, 8. So 2667.5 tolak 81.45 dapat 186.05. Tapi untuk nota, dalam nota dia ada F untuk cari F. So saya ikut je
PG darab F per P 10, 8. So total answer dia 4,000.704. Saya tak tahu betul ke tak. Sebab saya rujuk nota.
Ya, tak masalah. 4.704. Oke. Tepuk tangan untuk Alia. Give applause for the effort ya. Kita tengok. Kalau betul lagi kita applause lagi ramai-ramai. Oke, number 9. Kita tengok dulu. 16,
Oh, lain.
169. Nah, kita tengok dulu ya. Ini ada revision nampaknya dari firman ya. Oke, let me check ya. Let me check the calculation. First, we try to identify how many calculation here. Only one, right? Only one, but we need to identify P. Okay, P1 here, P1 here. Yeah. Okay, PA plus PG. A, because this one is gradient, right? The difference is the difference between gradient is 50, right? 50. Okay, and then the number of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then put it 8 here. Okay, this is 10%. Given A to find P, given to find P given A, yeah, and then this one is Y become minus because this one go around the arrow go down, right? So we will get PG is 50. The 50 is the difference, right? And then we get the we're using 8 for the n, and then the result will be like this, yeah. And then we go to the calculation. Oke, ini ada yang silap waktu itu. Jadi dia revision, revise the value of P1 is 1866.1, and then P0 will be, this one become feature, right? Okay, this one is 1 year, right? Then you can get this value, and then we multiply this and multiply 1866.1 multiplied by this value, and then we will get this one. I think in this part, yeah, in this part you need to identify the same with the number question, some number, I think number 3 and number 7, something like that. This is very important. Maybe will be appear in your final exam. I don't know, but you need to understand for some equation, yeah, some calculation. This one is for if you have a gradient, you need to calculate this one, yeah, this one, yeah. That is the most important. And also you need to, even this one is positive, right? But you need to go, you check this one is positive or negative. If you just go down, it's become negative, right? Okay, number 10. Thank you, Alia, for your effort. I appreciate it. And that is okay for me, yeah. Let's go number 10. Number 10. Siapa nak cuba number 10? Amar Razik.
Yes, doktor.
Okay, Amar.
Saya sangkut lah. Saya tak dapat buat. Last saya macam mana aku tahu. Saya dapat nombor 7 je. Sampai 7 je. Lain saya tak dapat buat.
Oh, okay lah, no problem. Janji dah try ya. Lepas tu siapa ni? Number 10. Belinda.
Maaf,
Oh,
doktor. Saya pun tak tahu.
oh, tak apa. Jangan nangis ya.
Okey.
Jangan sedih, jangan sedih. Apa, janji for tutorial is the exercise for the student, but you need to try and try and try. If you have got wrong, it's okay ya. But different with exam. Exam is the apa kata orang tuh kita kena dapat yang terbaik lah kalau exam. Okay, the next Azri number 10. Muhammad Azri. No, Azri no answer. Dines number 10. Oh, Melanie ni dapat.
Same doctor. I'm also stuck in this question.
Okay, start ya.
This question.
Melanie,
Shit.
no answer. Muhammad Zulkarnain. Zulkarnain Amin bin Razali. Okay, no. Okay, let's we go. Yeah, if you still stuck, also maybe I also stuck. Let we go together, check the answer.
Kalau saya nak share sekali lagi boleh?
Boleh, bagus, try. Siapa tu?
Alia.
Oh,
Alia.
Alia.
Alia Ibrahim.
Oke, mantap Alia, try. Kalau di sini nanti saya bagi hadiah kue. Oke, Alia, please.
Saya tuntut tak fakulti. Okay. So, saya share sekejap So, kena stop sharing dulu.
Oke, stop sharing ya.
Okay. Sekejap. So, okay, untuk question nombor 10 ni, kita akan kira daripada 1 sampai 4 dulu. 4, 1000, 10%, 4. Lepas tu tolak 100 dekat sini. Sini dia punya gradient 100.
Okay.
Pun kali 4 juga. Ni. So kita ikut using table. And kita akan dapat P kosong kat sini 2732.1. So dekat 5 sampailah ke 9.
Alright.
Kita akan buat macam ni. So sama juga ada gradient 50. Lepas tu okay, and then dekat sini P kosong. Kita akan kali dengan using a table 4. Terus dapat ni. And then daripada ni kita akan tambah yang ni. Lepas tu kita akan dapat 3792.3. Tapi tak tahu betul ke tak ni.
3792.
0.3.
Okay. Thank you Alia. Give applause ya atas effort dia ramai-ramai. Bagus, semangat, senang. Oke, kita tangan. Rambut saya dah kena bagi minyak zaitun lagi nih. Oke ya, the next let's we check number 10. Saking dah semangat. Number 10. Kita tengok ada berapa calculation. 1, 2. Ada 2 ya. Oke. Pertama macam yang Alia kita tengok ya. We try to find the calculation 1 to 4 first ya. This one first. Yeah. Because the gradient is the same. 100, right? This is 100, 100, 100, sorry. 100 and 100. So, and if we know the gradient, so the rule will be like this, right? So, we see the gradient n is 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We put it 4. Okay, and if gradient is this one is plus, yeah, because the arrow is negative, go down is become negative, right? So the calculation will be, okay, given A, we already know A, this one, and then the gradient is 100. So we calculate. calculate, and then we will get the value of this. All right, and then we go to the second calculation, 5 to 9. Why become two calculation? Because this one is the same. Sorry, this until this here, and then this is the gradient is this. The same gradient 50. This 100. This one is 50. Right? The same method. Yeah, we use this formula, and then they still negative. Yeah, still negative 50. Right? And then the value of n is 5. You can see why 5, because the calculation is starting from here. Yeah, the difference is from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. Okay, this is P4, right? And then we try to find the value of P0. P0 is 4. Yeah, just put it 4 because starting from 4 N4, right? So this one P4 become F here, given. Okay, we try to find P given F become feature for the for this calculation. Yeah, so using N4 with the N 10% using table, and we get this value. Okay, and then the final result, you just add both calculation. You see here, 1 to 4, after 4 to 5 to 9. Jadi 1 sampai 9 dia cover 1 to 9. Right, and then we get the result is 3792. Tepuk tangan ramai-ramai untuk Alia. Betul. Tepuk tangan, pandai. Dah pandai dah. So, tangan ramai-ramai ya. Saya bagi applause untuk dan bagi senyum sedikit. Alright, jadi kesimpulan di the conclusion of this tutorial, ya. Make sure, wait, mana dia tadi? Ya, share dulu so the conclusion is, first you need to identify the number of calculation. Yeah, for example, like this. Yeah, we have two kind calculation. Yeah, 1, 2. You need to check the gradient. Okay, if the gradient, you need to identify starting from what number. What year. Kadang misal dia ada gradiennya, perubahan dia dari start dari nomor 4, so we need to put it in the number 3. Jadi janji cover ya, misalkan ada 9 tahun, 1 sampai 9 itu untuk cover. Macam yang saya cakap tadi ya. Okay, we need to identify this one is pattern, the pattern of the calculation. This one is A atau dia gradient. Ya, ada yang macam ini, dia punya calculation A ya, calculation. Tapi dia kalau ada yang ada macam ini, dia ada perubahan misalkan 50, dia ada gradient. You need to put P A ya, sorry, PA. Oke, PA plus apa kalau dia ada gradient? P G, right? Dan kena pastikan we need to identify this one is a negative or positive. Yeah, if this one is positive, alright, this one the arrow is go up. If the negative, the arrow will go down. Jadi kesimpulan dia, perhatikan dia punya how many calculation. The second, you need to put in which what number of the year. tahun berapa. Okay, based on your your slide, it should be put in before 1 year before the calculation, right? And then kemudian ketika ada P0 itu akan menjadi feature untuk calculation berikutnya. Ya, P0 itu dia akan jadi P per F, right? F mean apa? Feature kan? So it will be feature for the next calculation. P0 and the next is P1 for example. So P0 will be feature for P1. Alright? Okay. Maybe that's all ya. Saya rasa if you have any question, we can discuss and you can ask also your friend Alia for example ya, can answer, maybe discuss together. Also this one is the pattern ya. Ini masih mudah. Why? Because the diagram already give to you. The next maybe ya, the diagram you need to make the diagram by yourself. That is the most maybe a bit difficult. When they give you the question, yeah, we need to find the keyword ya. If I have a gradient, so it's mean gradient. Ya. Contoh ada dalam nota kalian. Tengok keyword untuk setiap soalan tuh. Kadang ada keyword dia sebagai annual, so ini ada A. Misalnya dia gradient, so ada G dia. Ada misalnya ada perubahan setiap tahun, misalkan berapa itu berarti ada gradient dia. Alright, ada pertanyaan enggak? Saya rasa
Doctor,
ya.
Doctor, can doctor help us extend the submission date, sir? Doctor,
Okay, don't worry, that's one.
because we need to do corrections and some of us are going back home today.
Don't worry. That is I will give you maybe 3 days ya. Just try ya.
Okay, doctor.
I think that's all from me.